What's good, everybody? Merk B. Williams here, Late Night Jackson. See? Late Night Jackson. Get you a t-shirt and support us. For real. But yeah, we here. It's Ratchet TV time. I'm excited about that. Before we get started, I have a few sponsors I want to thank. Hold on. All right, so we'd like to shout out baking soda, helping black folks still brush their teeth when they run out of toothpaste for 50 years. This is good stuff, man. You can do anything, like you really can do anything with baking soda, like for real. It keep your freezer from stinking too. So if you got like 22-day-old Pick 5 in your freezer, just put you some baking soda in there, man, knock it right out. Yeah, so Kroger honey, cause it's cheap. Honey is like $42. Like for real, honey is $42. You can do a lot of stuff with honey. It's good with your tea and lemon, you know, if you got a sore throat. It's also good to put on your girlfriend's pee, if you know what I mean. Make sure she shave and y'all shower when it's over with though, because it gets, you get the point. Honey. All right. Oh yeah. Zatarain's Creole seasoning. Man, I'm telling you, look, this really makes everything better. It really does. I'm telling you, man. You know, this is like, they should just call this like white privilege seasoning, because that makes everything better. All right, but anyway, yeah, we about to review some Ratchet videos. And if you know anything about Merk B, I am Ratchet and proud. I can complete coherent sentences, and I do have 2 degrees, but I'm Ratchet. Very much so. All right, I have no idea what this is. It's Monte Ellis, who's from Jackson. Shout out to Monte, Pacers man. And it's a handshake tutorial, I'm afraid. So let's watch.
So, Monte Ellis had a pretty good handshake. And,
looked like 2 middle-class kids. Middle-class Caucasian family. Look like some nice kids. What's up with that picture right there though? I'm so confused. Hold up, I'm distracted. Oh, whoa, bruh. Hold up.
So,
all right, so
how are we gonna tell you how to do it?
Don't pay attention to the picture in the background. Look at this. This is not cool.
But you guys want to make sure the thumb is on top like this. You want to point. All right, you want to go to side view.
Hey, man.
Basically, from the lock, you're gonna spin.
That picture is really
stick out
distracting.
your fingers, your thumb, and your.
Does anybody see it? It's like,
and then
I don't know, but Mona Lisa is really taking it from
partners,
the back right now, bro. Like
your partner's
that's kind of like the pony
right
Lisa.
There. Bam, bam.
That was corny.
You got the point.
Okay. This is not cool what these kids are doing right now. I'm telling you.
Okay, yeah, this is definitely.
I don't know if y'all know what this is.
You transfer your point.
That is not something that young people should be doing.
Lock. Okay, now I'm not very good
like
at
that's.
this.
I could really explain it to you, but I would give away my affiliation as a younger person. So I don't want to do that.
Now
but that can get you killed.
See how
it really can.
Our fingers,
so, like for real.
And fists at the same time.
You can cut this out.
All right.
Yeah. Hey, so look. First off, the views expressed in that video are not in agreement to what Late Night Jackson believes in. I'm just saying that right now. Because I do not want the descendants of Tukey Williams to send their people after us after seeing that video. Bruh, that's the GD handshake. You shouldn't be doing that. I'm just telling you. So, you're a kid and you watching this video, if you go to any inner city, you probably should never do that handshake, ever. Ever. Like ever. You can die. I've seen it. I'm so serious. So yeah, kids don't do that at home or in the streets. I'm 34 and I still don't want to do that. But anyway, yeah, follow Late Night Jackson.